Hello everyone, welcome to another video about PayPal. Now this is a tutorial on how to refund payments or request a refund on PayPal. Now the best way to do this is if you go to your activity tab right here, and then here, as you can see, you can select the payment you want to basically refund. So all you have to do is you all go to all transactions here, and basically when you are on all transactions here, you will need to go and select the payment you want to refund and click issue a refund, and then all you need to do is enter amount you want to refund, and then review the information and click issue refund. Now you can issue a full partial refund within 180 days of the original payment date. Once you send a refund, you can actually cancel it. So that's how you can do it, right? So all you have to do activity. Also you have open cases, closed cases. This is also used, I think it's used for refunds, I'm not sure, but here you can go and you can pretty much have the amount, open cases, filter by the amount, and as you can see you have the case ID and stuff like that. So you can, obviously claim the problem if you have a problem or something like that right here as well. But usually it's just go to activity and then all transactions. Here you can also see the reports, which are just, reports, insights, statements, stuff like that. More so financial things. But yeah, that's pretty much how to issue a refund on PayPal. Thank you guys for watching.